Now, one thing that I really encourage you to make if you get your hands on some fresh figs for fig season, and that is a fig and balsamic dressing. It is delicious and it's versatile. So what I'm going to start with here, I'm going to do mine in my food processor, and I have 1 cup of chopped fresh figs, and to that I am going to add a half a cup of balsamic vinegar, and then 1 tablespoon of real pure maple syrup, and then half a teaspoon kosher salt. And I'm going to go with a few grinds from my mixed pepper here. And then we are going to slowly incorporate 1/2 cup of olive oil. And you want to do this slowly so that this emulsifies and makes a really nice dressing. Now, before I start incorporating my oil, I'm just going to give this a couple of whirls. So I have my half a cup of olive oil, and I'm just going to turn my machine on and slowly incorporate this. Now, of course, this is fantastic as a salad dressing, but you can also use this to glaze roasting meats, to marinate vegetables. You can use it as a dip for bread. You can use it on sandwiches or in wraps. And what's really good is to kind of do that old school spinach salad where you have some bacon and some hard-boiled eggs and this dressing. Really, really, really good salad. So let's have a taste. So you can see it, just beautiful color, and it's all nice and emulsified. It's just a beautiful dressing. Oh, it's fantastic. Sweet, tangy, delicious. So here we go. Another great way to use those beautiful, fresh summertime figs. Thanks for watching, everybody. See you later.